Know your risk and prepare now for the next flood on the Manning. Do you live, work or spend time in Manning Point, Mitchells or Oxley Island on the Lower Manning? If yes, it's important you know the local flood risk
and prepare now to protect your property and keep your loved ones safe. Knowing what happens during major flooding means you'll be ready to act quickly when the next event hits. Things you can do now to understand flood risks and prepare include visiting the New South Wales SES website for information on past floods in the Manning, create a flood emergency plan for your home or business, knowing when you need to evacuate, relocate, or where you will go and how you will get there, putting together a home emergency kit, download the Hazards Near Me app and setting up a watch zone to receive flood warnings, monitoring the Bureau of Meteorology website for river heights and severe weather warnings. Residents and businesses in Manning Point, Mitchells and Oxley Island need to know that the area experiences early flood isolation for prolonged periods, with Manning Point Road closing at minor flood levels. In major floods, road closures and flood isolation can last for 3 to 4 days, as was the case in March 2021 and May 2025 events. Floods bigger than the May 2025 event are possible. If you work or live in this area, it is essential that you know your risk and have a plan. Manning Point, Mitchells and Oxley Island will flood again. That's a fact. Go to the New South Wales SES website to prepare your emergency plan, download the Hazards Near Me app for flood warnings, and follow the New South Wales SES Facebook page for updates. For emergency assistance in flood, storm and tsunami, call New South Wales SES on 132 500.